Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Airtable for project management workflows, beginner guide step by step clearly. To register with Airtable for project management workflows, start by opening your web browser. Type www.airtable.com in the address bar and press enter. Once the Airtable homepage loads, locate the sign up button in the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. You will be presented with a choice to sign up using your email, Google account, or Apple ID. If you prefer to use your email, enter your email address in the designated field. Then, click on the Continue button. Airtable will send you a verification email. Open your email inbox and find the email from Airtable. Click on the verification link in the email to confirm your address. You will be redirected back to Airtable. Next, create a password for your account. Make sure your password is strong and secure. After entering your password, click on the Create Account button. You may be prompted to set up your profile. Fill in your name and any other required information. Once completed, click Continue. Next, select a workspace template that suits your project management needs. Airtable provides several templates to choose from. You can select one to explore its features or start with a blank base. Once you make a selection, click Use Template or Start from Scratch. After choosing your template, you will enter the Airtable workspace. Familiarize yourself with the interface and features available. You can create tables, add fields, and customize your workflow to fit your project management needs. Start by adding your team members if needed by clicking on the Share button. This allows you to collaborate effectively on your projects. Explore the various views, such as Grid, Kanban, and Calendar, to manage your tasks efficiently. Keep your workspace organized by creating different bases for different projects. As you get comfortable, experiment with more advanced features like automations and integrations. Now you are ready to utilize Airtable for your project management workflows. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.